In this segment, we will be addressing routine field maintenance of diesel-powered light towers. Prior to placing the unit in service, there are a few simple checks that the operator must perform. Begin by checking the engine oil level. With the unit on a level surface, the oil level must be between the high and low level marks. If the level is at or below the low mark, add 15W40 oil until the level is correct. Drain excess oil if the level is above the high mark. Check the condition of the radiator fins, fan, and fan belt. If the radiator fins are dirty, flush with clean water. Look for any damage to the fan. Check the fan belt for cracking or excess slack. Check the fuel tank level and look for any leaks coming from the tank or fuel lines. Ensure the equipment is full of fuel. During operation, check the fuel level occasionally to ensure that the unit does not run out of fuel. Check the radiator reservoir level. Add 50-50 coolant-water mix as needed. Check and drain the fuel and water separator at least once weekly. Located in a conspicuous place will be a record of the last time the oil change was performed. Check the hour meter to determine if service is due. Service must be performed if more than 150 hours have elapsed since the last oil change. When so equipped, as in this case, be sure to preheat the glow plugs before starting. On this unit, the light will shut off when ready to start. This is essential in cold weather and may need to be performed several times. When performing these daily procedures, look over the rest of the machine for general condition. Keep in mind the following when operating this equipment. Do not operate equipment that has not passed these checks. Report any discrepancies to your supervisor or Cleveland Construction's maintenance manager. Do not use ether or starting fluid. Engine damage will result. When the equipment will not be used for an extended period of time, operate at least once per month for 20 minutes to maintain readiness. Do not perform maintenance without authorization.